Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix fitness app not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, check if you have turned on or not the fitness in settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down and here click on privacy and security. Now here scroll down to the end and here click on motion and fitness, and from here first of all turn on this fitness tracking button. So after turning on, check if your internet connection is working properly or not. So for this, open Safari browser. Now here you can see my internet is working properly, but if your internet is not working, then turn on or off the airplane mode 2 to 3 times. And after that, the fitness app will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open your settings and here click on general, then click on software update. Now here check if your iOS is updated to the latest version or not. If your iOS is not updated to the latest version, first of all update it, and after updating, reconnect to your Apple Watch. So after reconnecting, your fitness app will start working properly. So if it's still not working, then open settings again and scroll down and click on general, then click on transfer or reset iPhone and here click on reset, then click on reset all settings and enter your screen time passcode. Now here click on reset all settings. So it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, your fitness app will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.